same spirit
lo moya umnye
esifuna uba ube sebhiyeni imini
wants you
nobusuku.
to be in alcohol day and
The
night.
same spirit
Moya omnye
esiphusha into yobana
that pushes
basebhiyeni
that you drink.
bakwindawo engathi
Be in a place that
isiyolo
there's
ibapha
noise and
khona
pleasure,
ukuthi ubomi bakho ube
so
short.
that your life can be short.
So yes, hlala kuyesu.
Remain in Jesus.
Amen, man of God. Sawucela uva kuwe ke sisiwami bani igama lakho.
Amen of God itheni kuye kuqala. Let's
What
go
did the
there.
man of God say?
Uyaqala man of God uze enkonzweni
It's
namhlanje.
the first time
Uthe
today.
kuye man of God. Hlukana noselibhiya ngoba ndiyibona iza kwenza ulife wakho ube short.
Okay.
Man of God usisi una only 23 years. Usela deep man of God to the point yoba angayazi into beyenza xa benxilile azibone kusasa ezobethwa ngento yena angayaziyo. Indoda ahlala nayo iyamnika imali nayo uba nayo imali iyasebenza uthi akayiboni noba wenza ntoni ngayo abantwana bayasokola uyabawa lokuyeka usela but akakwazi uyeka seke hleli yethu uyayicinga xa ingasela ngacinga uba ndingaye but uzazibona seke sele loo nto man of God uthi into
Uphi umamakhe?
ekhathaza kakhulu.
Where is her mother?
Umamakho,
Selalini. Samaxhosa
it's the same thing
Into efanayo
eyenza kumama wakhe
that is happening to her mother,
edlulela ebomini bakhe.
that is passed to her life.
Ndiyanixelela.
I'm telling you,
So into ebekumama wakhe edlulela ebomini bakhe.
what was in her mother is now has passed to her.
Oh my God. Hlala kuyesu.
Remain in
Khona
Jesus.
interpreter fast. I don't have time.
Man of God, as you are praying for her, you told her to stop drinking beer because it will cut her life short. Man of God, she just confirmed that she's a person that likes to drink alcohol. She's only 23 years old, man of God. She's saying that there's not a day that passes by without not having a desire to drink beer. The man, she does not know how she spends her money. Even the children are going hunger, man of God. Yet she has a partner and they are both working. They are both earning salary, man of God. But in the household, it is very poor because of this alcohol.
Kuyaselwa, kuyanxilwa, kuyaphathwa.
Ezugqibotsho my father usithi into enzeka kuye into enzeka kumamakhe. Man of God uyayiconfirma umamakhe use Eastern Cape uthi man of God uyasokola umamakhe kula Eastern Cape uyasela umamakhe Eastern Cape.
Man of
Leyo
God,
ugqiboyithetha my father ngomoya kaThixo we glorify Jesus. Oh
man of God, she's just confirming what you just said to her, saying what's happening in her life. It first began with her mother and passed on to her. She's confirming that her mother is in Eastern Cape right now as we speak. Her mother is also drinking alcohol. We glorify God who reveals things.
Come on, share leso sana. Isisombululo kuhlala kuyesu.
The solution is to remain in Jesus.